Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going down to Fartboy. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So we may have seen a dead cat bounce from Fartboy. It's an inverted dead cat bounce. So if we take a look at this, basically the price is trending down. Okay, and it trends down. Then you have a dead cat bounce, which is roughly a retracement of around about 50% before the continuation of the trend, which in this case, obviously, it's down. So pay attention to that. A dead cat bounce, I've traded many of these in the past, is basically a 50% retracement to where you fell from, and then you continue with the trend. So let's take a quick look right now at something that may be confluence to this particular scenario playing out right under our noses, and over the next few weeks leading into the next few months into spring, we may be about to see Fartboy absolutely take off. I'm going to show you exactly why. There's no bias on this channel, but what I look for is confluence in multiple things, not just the charts. So we may have completed an inverse dead cat bounce. Let me show you what I'm talking about right now, okay? So the reason I think we've got a pump coming over the next few weeks into the next few months here, which is basically April and May, is because of the indicator I've created for yourselves called the crystal ball indicator. Now there's two ways you can get this. You can get it on CoinsKid.com in the indicator section, or you can head over to TradingView and you can view it here and add it to your TradingView scripts basically. So look how well the Bitcoin price action is tracking the golden line, which is basically your crystal ball, which is really simply based on global M2 money supply. Okay, so if you want to get more information on how this particular indicator works that I create for yourselves, just head over to the Discord and the CoinsKid.com website right there and follow the process. So basically, if you take a look, we've got this double bottom process down here in the golden line, which is your liquidity leaving and entering the market just there. So if you take a look at Bitcoin, it came up just there, and right now it's retracing to this low, this wick low, and right now this golden line, it lost this low and then started to break out to the upside. So it actually breaks out on a 70-day lag roughly next weekend. Okay, so if we take a look right now, we've got this pullback just there for Bitcoin. Okay, we made this low in the summer, we've got this beautiful diamond bottom pattern, then we made a lower low in the golden line, which is your CoinsKid crystal ball, but Bitcoin held that low. So you got your wick low, you retrace, oh no, it's going to zero, you got your lovely little reversal pattern that I identified for you in late summer last year, and then the liquidity entering the market was forecasted in the golden line right there, your CoinsKid crystal ball. So I do think, and there's no bias here, this is why I'm still accumulating Fartboy, because of something I've spotted on the charts and because of this golden line, that I actually think that Fartboy could be about to put in an explosive move here. And again, nothing I say is financial advice. I can't see into the future. This is why I create this crystal ball, to try and give us a guide to see into the future. But I'm going to show you something in the charts right now that's got me incredibly excited for Fartboy's future, where we could see a significant rally over the next few months. Let me dive into Fartboy's chart right now, okay? So looking at the Fartboy chart invertedly, I think that this peak here could be this peak here. And what we've done, we've dropped, which is basically this drop, and then this retracement has come up 50%. And right now we're looking to continue this trend. So we may have experienced a drop and a pullback and then a continuation of the trend, basically a dead cat bounce. But what people are not realizing is this chart is actually inverted. Okay, so if I start to flip this like this, you'll start to see that what we've done here for this particular chart, which is basically a Fartboy chart, is we may have had a dead cat bounce, which is basically an inverted dead cat bounce, which is a 50% retracement. So from peak to trough of the previous impulse, we've actually retraced into the 0.5 fib, which is synonymous with a dead cat bounce. Okay, so basically if I invert the chart like this, you can clearly see, and like I've shown you in an earlier video, you push down, you retrace into the 0.50, you consolidate, find resistance, and then you go again. So that is my primary at the moment. This is what I'm looking at, and one of the clues that we could be looking at to the major move to the upside is the CoinsKid crystal ball, the liquidity index right there, which is showing a flow of liquidity coming back into this market. So Fartboy may have actually bottomed on the 0.5 fib here in a simple retracement of an impulsive move, corrective move, looking for continuation. So yesterday was a massive volatility spike. Look at that, a huge wick that tried to break out, couldn't quite break out, got a bit of a sell-off, and right now it looks as though we're trying to form some kind of bottom here on the 0.5 fib. Now my primary at the moment is the fact that what we've done for this particular chart right now is we've completed an expanded flat correction. So there's your A wave down, this is your B wave high, and this is a C wave. Okay, it's been nasty, but what we've got simply in the C wave is a 5-wave move to the downside. We've got some kind of A into a B, into a C, into a D, into an E, which is a 5-wave move of C basically. So like I've always taught you, A, B, C of B, A, sorry, then we're at a 3-wave move in B, and we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in C. So we may have completed that to the 0.5 fib at 52.9 million, and right now we're looking to break bull and take out all this resistance above and put a brand new important move to the upside, which would be absolutely incredible if we see that. Now, is there a clue to that? Well, yes, the CoinsKid crystal ball, which I've created for yourselves, is showing a massive amount of liquidity entering the market over the next few weeks, leading into the next few months. So Fartboy could be one of the biggest movers in this particular market. So if it does move and breaks out to the upside, absolutely amazing. I wish everyone the most luck. If you want to get involved in Fartboy, you can buy on Mexi or Phantom. The links are in the video description right there. I wish everyone the most luck, but we may have completed this correction right now, down to the 0.5 fib in an inverted dead cat bounce. Good luck, everybody. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to an update on Fartboy. Bye-bye.